Hello everyone. Please don't go. Please don't go. 5 seconds is all I need. I am Masood from the Gaza Strip. You are my only hope for restoring life here, where we lost our home, no food and no water and no medicine. I am very tired of what is happening to us. There is only you left to help me. I trust you. My friends, please share this video with everyone so that I can find someone to help me. Repost this video, comment and like so